Understanding, it's stiflingly hot, a guide to English weather phrases. Hello and welcome to today's lesson on English weather phrases. Today, we're diving into a specific phrase that you might hear during the summer months. It's stiflingly hot. This expression is a vivid way to describe the weather, and understanding it can help you express yourself more naturally in English. Let's explore what this phrase means, when to use it, and how to incorporate it into your conversations. It's stiflingly hot is an English phrase used to describe extremely hot and uncomfortable weather conditions. Let's break down the phrase. Stifling. This adjective means very hot, to the point of causing difficulty in breathing. It often suggests that the air is not moving, making the heat feel even more oppressive. Hot. A simple adjective that describes high temperatures, something that's common in many parts of the world during summer. Stiflingly. When we add "ly" to stifling, it turns the adjective into an adverb, describing how hot it is. This adverbial form intensifies the sensation of the heat being overwhelming. This phrase is particularly useful in scenarios where the heat is not just high but also uncomfortable and suffocating. Here are some examples of when you might use it. When the heat is so intense that it's hard to breathe comfortably outdoors. In situations where there is little to no breeze, and the air feels heavy and unmoving. During a heat wave, especially in areas where high humidity levels add to the sensation of the heat being oppressive. Example sentences. I can't even think about going for a run today, it's stiflingly hot outside. Everyone was seeking shade during the picnic because it was stiflingly hot. Understanding a variety of weather-related phrases can enrich your vocabulary and help you describe different conditions accurately. Here are a few related terms. Sweltering, similar to stiflingly hot. It describes extremely hot weather that is uncomfortable. Humid. This word is used when there's a lot of moisture in the air, making the heat feel more intense. Scorching. Another word for very hot, often used to describe the sun's intense effect on the ground or our skin. We hope this video has shed some light on how to use and understand the phrase, it's stiflingly hot. Remember, mastering these descriptive phrases will not only expand your vocabulary but also help you communicate more effectively with others about the weather and more. Stay cool, and see you in our next lesson.